Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all safe and staying at home, and hope that your studies are also going well. Well, so today we are going to start our next poem. Today we are going to start Downhill on a Bicycle. See, till now we have completed 3 chapters. Okay, the first one was Ivan's story, then Laughing Song, then A Rupee Goes a Long Way, and then the Bermuda Triangle. You read the chapters, okay, and wherever you find any problem, please do tell me about your problems. If you have not understood, or you have not any of the part you are having any problem, any of the exercise question also might be there that you are having problem, then you can consult me. I'll make another video. We'll talk in some way. Okay, so let's not make any more delay and let's start our poem's explanation. So here in this poem, what happens, there we see here in the poem Downhill on a Bicycle, a boy is presented with his carefree nature when he rides his bicycle. Okay, one morning he starts riding his bicycle and he is very happy. He enjoys his riding the bicycle, and also what happens, the comparisons which he does, okay, while continuing his riding, that is very beautiful. How he compares himself. He actually compares himself, his riding, okay, or the way he feels while he is riding the bicycle. He feels like a bird. Bird is flying in the air. Okay, so let's start our poem. With lifted feet. Now, in the very first line, this lifted feet. If you have seen a small kid to start riding a bicycle, or he is very happy, or he is now somehow he is learning, or like he has understood, or he knows now, okay, he has learned how to ride a bicycle. So what happens is this, he enjoys, and also it happens that while he is riding the bicycle, he tries to make fun, okay, he tries to live that moment so much. And what he does is, he is having the handle, okay, he is holding the handle, but then what happens is, he lifts his feet like that, okay, his feet is like this, okay, I can't show right now with my feet, but he lifts his feet, and his feet are not balanced on the pedals, okay, and that is how he plays with the method of riding. So with lifted feet, hands still, see, though his feet are lifted, he has taken it up, okay, he is enjoying, but his balance on the handle of the cycle is strong, okay. I am poised. Poised means I am balanced, because he has his control over the handle of the cycle. I am poised and down the hill, that means he is coming from up the hill and he is coming down. I am poised and down the hill, dart with heedful mind. Now what is the meaning of dart here? He rush, okay, because his speed is high, so coming from high above the hill, when he comes down, okay, from the hill, then the speed is quite high, and that means he rushes with heedful mind. But with heedful mind means he rushes carefully, not like losing his balance or he will fall down. See, the boy is very you cannot see him as crazy or imbalanced or something, because he, no doubt, he enjoys his ride, but though he is riding that means though he is riding and he is enjoying, then also he is very careful while he is handling his riding. Okay, remember this thing. Dart with heedful mind, the air goes by in a wind, and while he comes from above the hill and he comes down, the air passes by and he can feel it. Okay, the air goes by in a wind. He feels he also feels like the wind passing by him. Swifter and yet more swift. First of all, he starts, while he starts coming down little bit higher, and then it becomes more higher, and it becomes faster, till the heart with a mighty lift he enjoys, till his heart gives him a lift. That means it jumps up like this. Okay, makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry. This feeling, no, how do I tell you about this? You've gone for the roller coaster ride, all that. So when it just starts, first of all it moves, okay, lightly, then little bit of speed more, then the speed, you can imagine now what happens. And that speed, when it runs in the highest speed, at that point of time you are enjoying, you are shouting, you enjoy so much that your lungs laugh, you're shouting. It happens, okay, whenever you go to any fair, or you go for this what they are called, what is that called, that car breakdowns or something it is called. So there, this kind of activities, it happens that when you go to all this enjoying parts, no, riding things, then it happens that the speed it starts and then it increases more and more, and when it goes to the highest point, then you can feel lot of excitement and joy. So the same thing happens with the boy also. Oh bird, see, bird, I fly. And so he, as I said, he compares his riding in the bicycle with the flight of a bird, and he calls the bird and tries to say the bird that, see, I can also fly like you. Okay, see, oh bird, see, bird, I fly. That means he feels like he's flying, though he is a human, but he thinks, or he imagines himself to be flying. The enjoyment, the excitement is so much that he feels like that he is flying in the air, just like that of a bird. But he doesn't have any feather. Okay, he doesn't have any feather. He is a human, but the ride he is having, he is coming from above the hill up to down. He is sliding down, so that gives him a joy, a feeling of joy and excitement, and so that he compares himself with the bird. Said that, see, I can also fly like you. Is this your joy? And then at the very last paragraph, what he does is that he tries to say, that means compare him. The comparison is going on. Okay, he calls the bird and he provokes him. Provokes means that means tries to kind of challenge the bird. Okay, says that you think that you can fly, and you think that you are joyful, you are happy by, like, you can because you can fly. You think I can't fly. Is this your joy? Do you think this is what called is joy? That means you are happy by this. Look at me, what I am doing. Oh bird, then I, though a boy, for a golden moment share your feathery life in air. So he says this thing, or he challenges the bird also by saying that you think that you can only fly, and you think that we being a human, or I am a boy, so that means I cannot fly. No, it is not the thing. Even if I am a boy, see, oh bird, then let me tell you, I, though a boy, that means though I am a boy, for a golden moment share, I can also share that golden moment which you are having in your entire life. You can fly all over everywhere. Then don't think that I can't fly. I can also fly. Your feathery life in air. Though I am a human, I am a boy, and I can also experience the happiness which you experience as a bird, but I am experiencing as a human. Okay, and I can also fly. Hopefully this video was informative for you. You understood from this, and if any of the paragraph you have any problem, then you can ask me, I will explain you. From the word meanings, you mark poised with heedful mind, and you mark the heart with a mighty lift, and lastly feathery life. Okay, 1 2 3 4 word meanings from here. And one more thing that I am giving you to do is this words in use you will do in book. After I give you the question answers, then you will write in copy. Okay, now what you have to do is you watch the video, you mark your word meanings, learn it, and then you have understood the video, so that you can now do words in use. Do it in book, and after that later on we will write in copy. Okay, yeah, and yes, it's done. So yeah, till then, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.